各位乘客，歡迎乘搭九龍巴士公司105線。本班車將由中國大道開往安樂花園，線途將有廣播，提示各位乘客落車，祝各位旅途愉快。Dear passengers, on behalf of Kowloon Motorist Company, I would like to welcome you on board our route number 705 to Home Garden. Further announcements will be made as we approach various midway bus stops. It is our pleasure to have you on board, and we wish you a pleasant journey. 各位乘客，欢迎乘坐九龙巴士公司105线。本班车将沿东角大道开往多乐花园，中途将有广播提示各位乘客下车。祝各位旅途愉快。巴士即將轉彎，請緊握扶手。Please hold the handrail. The bus is about to turn. 巴士即將拐彎，請緊握扶手。下一站係中國大樓。The next stop is Yinpeng Mansion. 下一站是中小大樓。
喂，架巴士喐緊㗎，唔好喺車廂嗰度行來行去，上落樓梯嘅時候仲要揸緊扶手啊，老友。Do not run on the bus and hold the handrail tightly when walking up and down the staircase while the bus is moving. 喂，巴士開動了，請大家不要在車廂內隨便走動，上下樓梯時要緊握扶手。
下一站係中國廣場。The next stop is Yinpeng Plaza. 下一站是中小廣場。下一站係中關碼頭。The next stop is Yibei Pier. 下一站是中關碼頭。
提一提身邊嘅人啦，路面有好多突發事件㗎，時刻要記住揸緊扶手，有你着數啊！ Please remind passengers around you to hold the handrail tightly. Be alert and ready to respond to any incident on the road.
请提醒身边的人，路面行车经常有突发状况，爱护自己，请紧握扶手。
下一站係中關中心。The next stop is 北商場。下一站是中關中心。
打電話還打電話，記住揸實扶手啊！
Please hold the handrail tightly before using your mobile phone. 打手機時別大意，請緊握扶手。
下一站係中關道。The next stop is 北 Road. 下一站是中關道。
打機啊，梗係要揾個安全嘅位置坐低，然後先至好玩啊嘛。
Please take a seat before playing mobile games. 要打遊戲機，先找個安全的位置坐下，然後再玩。
下一站係中關車廠。The next stop is 北車場。下一站是中關車廠。乘客可在此站使用八達通卡，享用9巴轉乘優惠。Passenger can use Octopus to enjoy KMB interchange fare discount at this stop. 乘客可在此站使用八達通卡，享用9巴轉乘優惠。下一站係康城站橋轉車站，乘客可在此轉車前往康和安樂及堅尼道。The next stop is Hong Bridge Interchange. Passengers may transfer here to Park Road, Clayton and Kennington Road. 下一站是康城道桥转車站，乘客可在此轉車前往康德街6及邊園道。下一站設有分段收費。下一站係昌和政府合署。The next stop is Chicago Government Offices。下一站是康德政府合署。
巴士仔，同我胡風提你，揸實扶手就永冇甩拖啦。
Busboy reminds you to hold the handrail tightly。巴士仔提醒你，紧握扶手，不会跌倒。
下一站係新直道。The next stop is Newtown Road。上一站是京城道。下一站係福蘭道。The next stop is Common Road。下一站是湖蘭路。下一站係十享公園。The next stop is 19Park。下一站是19公園。下一站係大洞街。The next stop is 下一站是大洞街。下一站係聯亞大廈。The next stop is 聯亞塔。下一站是聯亞大廈。各位乘客，本車廂設有關愛座，請讓座與有需要人士，多謝合作。Priority seats are available. Please offer your seat to passengers in need. Thank you. 各位乘客，本车厢设有关爱座，请让座于有需要人士，多谢合作。下一站係金đường公園。The next stop is Union Park。下一站是金đường公園。下一站係安樂花園。The next stop is Hayden Garden。下一站是多樂花園。各位乘客，本班車已經到達安樂花園，請各位乘客落車，多謝乘搭105線。We have now arrived at Hayden Garden. All passengers please alight here. Thank you for traveling on our route number 705. 各位乘客，本班车已经到达多樂花園，請各位乘客下車，多謝乘坐105線。